Here's how to post on Reddit from your mobile device or computer. Use the clickable sections below to skip to different parts of this tutorial. Find the community or subreddit you want to post in. You can navigate there by entering the URL reddit.com/r/ and then put in the subreddit name at the end, or by searching for the subreddit by using the search box at the top. If you've already subscribed to a particular subreddit, you can navigate there via the drop-down menu on Reddit's homepage. Click Create Post near the top of the subreddit's header. Choose a title and compose your post. Click Post to submit. Once signed into the Reddit app, navigate to the subreddit where you'd like to post. We're using the Reddit app for Android in this video. If you're subscribed to the subreddit, tap this icon at the bottom. Otherwise, search for the subreddit in the top search bar. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Tap the icon of the type of content you want to include. Create a title for your post, and write or attach your multimedia content. Finalize by tapping Post in the top right corner.